Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Cook delicious meals anywhere your adventure takes you. The best portable camping stoves combine power, convenience, and compact design to deliver reliable performance outdoors. Whether you're hiking, backpacking, or camping off-grid, ensuring hot meals and comfort no matter where your journey leads. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ChefMaster 9019. First up is the ChefMaster 9019, a compact unit built to deliver serious firepower. This stove uses a piezo ignition system, so you don't need matches. Just twist the knob and it sparks to life. Thanks to its 15,000 BTU output, it can bring water to boil quickly or handle more demanding cooking tasks, like frying and searing. It comes with a double wind guard that wraps around the burner to block gusts and help maintain flame stability outdoors. For extra peace of mind, there's an inline pressure sensing shutoff regulator. If pressure gets unsafe, the stove cuts off fuel flow to prevent accidents. The unit ships inside a hard shell carrying case, making transportation safer and easier. Its compact dimensions, 13.2 by 11.2 by 4.5 inches, and moderate weight, circa 5 pounds, make it practical for pack trips. What really sells the ChefMaster 9019 is that it balances portability, safety, and real cooking power. Whether you're making morning coffee at elevation or preparing dinner in the backcountry, this stove shows up. Number 2. Iwatani 35FW. The Iwatani 35FW is a standout Japanese single-burner stove loved by campers and indoor users alike. It also outputs 15,000 BTU, giving you strong heat in a compact frame. One of its most popular features is the magnetic locking system. Instead of a tricky lever or latch, you just push the butane canister in and it clicks securely in place, reducing user error and making setup fast. To combat wind, it includes a double windbreaker design around the burner, so your flame holds steady even in breezy conditions. Iwatani also uses a durable brass burner, which helps with even heat and longevity. The stove is just 4.2 pounds, or 1.9 kilograms, and measures roughly 13.3 by 11.9 by 3.7 inches. Its compact profile and included carry case make it a favorite for both outdoor use and indoor emergency cooking. Another smart touch, Iwatani includes an automatic safety stop. If internal pressure reaches unsafe levels, the stove cuts off fuel flow to prevent hazards. In short, the 35FW combines thoughtful design, reliability, and ease of use. If you want a stove that's nearly foolproof and performance-oriented, this one is hard to beat. Number 3. ODSD Stove Combo. Coming in third, the ODSD Windshield plus Portable Stove Combo is for those who want versatility and strength. This set includes a fold-out windshield built into the design, which helps protect the flame in tough conditions. Its dual-burner layout delivers up to 20,000 BTU total, letting you cook multiple items at once. Boil water on one side and fry or sauté on the other. It comes with independent controls for each burner. When folded, it measures just about 10.6 by 9.1 by 5.1 inches and weighs under 4 pounds, making it surprisingly compact for its output. The entire setup tucks into a carry bag for transport. Construction is rugged, with stainless steel burners and a heat-proof outer shell, built to sustain repeated use in outdoor settings. A small coffee stand is included, so you can rest your mug above the flame while heating water. Number 4. 900-057 Propane Camping Stove. The 900-057 Propane Camping Stove is a dual fuel option built for flexibility. You can use 8-ounce butane canisters or larger 16.4-ounce propane cylinders by attaching an included adapter. Starting it up is easy. Insert your chosen fuel, twist on or lock in, turn the control knob, and ignite. Many models include a click-style ignition. The flame control is smooth, making it easier to simmer down or ramp up heat depending on what you're cooking. Safety is built in. The unit includes an automatic gas shutoff that cuts flow if pressure becomes abnormal, a crucial feature for unpredictable outdoor use. Its design is rugged yet compact, so it fits nicely in camping rigs or packs. Whether you're grilling, simmering, or boiling, the 900-057 handles a variety of tasks under many conditions. Number 5. Coleman Push-Button Portable Stove. Last on the list is the Coleman Push-Button Portable Stove, a favorite for families and campers wanting convenience and power. It features duo burners that together produce 22,000 BTU, letting you cook 2 dishes side by side. You start it via push-button Insta-Start ignition, so no need for matches or separate lighters. The Perfect Flow, Perfect Heat technology helps stabilize fuel pressure, giving consistent flames at various altitudes or temperatures. Each burner includes its own wind guard to reduce flame flicker. The cooktop is made from aluminum steel and includes a removable grate for easier cleaning. The stove fits 2 pans, 12 and 10, comfortably, and a built-in handle plus locking latch make it easy to carry. It runs about 1 hour on high with a single 16-ounce propane cylinder, a solid balance between portability and output. Coleman's long-standing reputation and well-established parts availability also make this a dependable pick for outdoor or backup cooking systems. Thank you for exploring our top portable camping stoves. Each option combines convenience, power, and safety to make outdoor cooking effortless, whether you're camping, tailgating, or preparing for emergencies. Choose the stove that fits your style and needs and enjoy delicious meals anywhere with confidence and ease.